Alright, let's see how quick I can make a post real quick. New post. Let's see, that was the Faux Cafe endorsement. So we'll title this Eating Healthy to Play Better Golf. Foco Cafe endorsement. Fort Collins, golf lessons, golf lessons. Nutrition, health, Foco Cafe, featured image, Blammo. You know what? I liked the images we had a second.
Promote health. This is it. Yeah, okay,
Where did that photo come from?
Hi everyone, this is Coach Golfer. Meal they grow their own vegetables. We were here yesterday to the Foco Cafe, and we had our lunch here. That donate food worth more than. Hi everyone, and I have they grow their own.
Blam. Okay. Well, we went as fast as we could. I wanted a better image, so it took a little bit. We grabbed an image, Control Shift Print Screen. Grabbed it, went into MS Paint, Control V, pasted it. Now we went back over to our post. We're waiting for it to upload. As soon as it finishes uploading, we're going to enter our alt tag, which will make our alt tag for Collins Golf Lessons Nutrition Guide. Nutrition. Good enough. For Collins Golf Lessons Nutrition. Learning. Hide the post title. The sidebar. Page layout. Yeah, it won't let us do full width. We have to save it. Then we have to use Divi Builder. Then we have to choose pre-made layout. Clone existing page. Clone the Tiger Woods one again. Save draft. Now we're going to go back to edit post. This is the only way to get these to full width. I don't know why, it's just a glitch. It won't show full width until we save it once, switch to the visual editor, go back to the standard WordPress editor, change it, save draft. Now we can go back to the Divi Builder. It's going to be full width. I know it's a little bit wonky, but once you get used to it, it's only a couple second thing to learn, so. Let's see. Fort Collins Golf Lessons. Nutrition. Take this title.
Hi everyone, this is Coach Matt with the Golfer Factory. At the Golfer Factory, we promote health and wellness. We actually have a health coach on our staff. She's my wife. Her name is Kat. I brought her here yesterday to the Foco Cafe, and we had our lunch here. And man, it is the most nutritious meal I've ever had at a restaurant. They grow their own vegetables here in their garden. They also have a lot of farmers that are local here that donate food to them. This is a nonprofit organization. You can have a meal here for as little as $4. They recommend 12, which covers the cost, but the meal that you get is worth more than $12, and I highly recommend Foco Cafe in Old Town.
Okay, hello and welcome here, and I'm your host Konstantin Kogun, and we're here at Holistic Investments. And
so we can click this thing. Check out this video we made of Matt G at the Foco Cafe. And then I'm going to click this plus, search for video, click video. I'm going to go back, find a video from a second ago. Add video, insert from URL, insert into post. That's weird. Blammo. And we'll update this image, it's the background. And we'll put the image that we had for featured image. We just made, we'll put that in there. Bam. Publish. And that's how we do that. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.